Meaning of grease monkey.
Grease monkey.
Grease monkey.
Grease monkey.
Grease monkey. The term grease monkey is a colloquial expression used to describe someone who works with machinery or vehicles, particularly as a mechanic or technician. The term originated in the early 20th century when workers would often get covered in grease while maintaining and repairing machinery. Today, the term is still used to describe those who work in similar professions. Being called a grease monkey is generally considered a compliment for those who take pride in their mechanical abilities and work hard to keep vehicles and machinery running smoothly.